Hello, it's only me with another video. Well, we're nearly there. One more week to go, and that's it for this term. So look, where we're up to, just to catch up a little bit, is obviously we've done week 2 and week 3 around employment law, history and some of its developments, and obviously I think we found that quite interesting. We switched to then look at some of the institutions that are involved, and subsequent to that was then looking at it in a slightly bit more in-depth manner. So week 5 around government and parliament, week 6 and 7 around the courts, week 8 on government institutions, week 9 was looking at the role of employers and trade unions, and then we got week 10, which was looking at, well, what does the EU provide in terms of employment law. And then week 11 was looking at the Court of Justice of the EU. So if I click onto that, let me just open that up. So the activities basically, and you see some of the resources there. There's also a forum if you want to do further reading. Particularly we had a discussion around Brexit and the impact on the CJEU decisions, which the potential is that those decisions no longer start to apply to the UK. So that's the upshot. But anyway, if I just show you the activity. So this activity will meet 2.2 and 4.3. In fact, the previous activity on the EU will do the same. I'll give you a choice whether you want to do all of them or just one of them. It shouldn't be too much of a problem. So let me just put that on edit. So task 1 was basically using the resources. Can you explain what the CJEU is about? And, what are the implications of the decision when they make one? So that's also the additional question. And then task 2 is looking at some key cases, particularly as they come from Britain. And they've made a change, ironically, not just in EU law, back into UK law, if that makes sense. So Coote v Granada, Marshall, Foster v British Gas, and Allenby and Accrington, and Rosendale College. So you can pick any and just have a read of that. Alright, other than that, I'll see you hopefully next week as the last week. Take care. Bye.